time set, hold it down, fast set, slow set, alarm, gotta hold that and time set. Let's see, current time 8:58. Set the alarm time, because yes, there's an alarm. Okay, 9:08's the alarm time. I'll set the current time to 9:08. Alarm time. Yeah, so basically this is a clock I built. You guys might remember from a previous post I had where I was running it off of a separate AC transformer. I've added some things to it. I've added a little switch to turn just the display off for nighttime use, because this is a bright display. The whole thing runs on 12 volts. There's no 5 volt logic on here anywhere. This little chip right here, if it'll focus, LM8361, and I've got a 3.597545 megahertz crystal on here. What this does, this chip generates the 60 hertz that the clock chip needs to get its time. Okay, the LM8361 discontinued chip is used in alarm clocks. It would normally get its frequency, the 60 hertz, off of the AC mains coming in, but now it gets it off of this little circuit here. I've got a filter cap just to eliminate any ripple that may be coming in. Little buzzer for an alarm, alarm off, time set, alarm time shows it. To set the alarm, you just hold both buttons, time set and alarm. And there's the alarm going off. Turn it off. I've got fast set, slow set, and yeah. Nice bright blue display. Then I've got my wiring on the back.